So what we're going to be looking at here is a trade in oil. And it's one that I've talked about in the past as a can you get in before a breakout? And all this comes down to is one, can you recognise the breakout? And two, can you recognise an opportunity to actually get yourself into the trade? Find your access point, as we would call it. So the trade you're looking for is a break above 49s. We tested this area multiple times over the last couple of days. You've got 49s and then you've got the highs that we did spike just through up at around about 57s. So what you're looking for is when you get this move up to 49 in the morning that then fails to convert into a move lower and start drifting back up, can you get yourself long before you get to 49s so that you're in for the break higher? You're expecting that above 49s we may well get a few stops, and particularly the idea being that if the stops through 49, that should get you beyond 57 and then keep the move going up. So that's what you're looking for, and what you're looking for is a way to get yourself into it. So I'll play this here, and what we've got down here, and we looked at this in the career course earlier, 40s, someone seems to be absorbing this, and if you watch what trades into the bid and then what trades into the offer and then the direction this takes. So we've just seen 25 trades up into the offer, so 25 bought into 41, 25 then sold into 40, and the bid comes back and we're now up to 65 sold there, another 47. So 100 lots or 120 lots nearly just traded into 40s and the bids remained. We've seen 25 lots buy into 41. So you're seeing someone passively accumulating at 40. They're trying to get themselves long at 40s. Where this helps you is if you recognise this, one, you've got an early trade of trying to get in at 40, but two, if you start seeing that we're not getting as much selling into 40, so the person who's trying to get filled at 40 now is not managing it. They get filled another 30. Do we get any more selling? No. They buy it back. Bid goes straight back in at 40. So this person now, if they've still got more to buy and no one keeps selling it to them, they're going to now have to start paying 41, 42, 43, 44. And that's what you're looking for. You could be in early. Also, once you start seeing this tick up, once you start seeing the buying coming in, that's where you can start saying to yourself, I'm happy as long as I can get long before 49, I'm confident it's moving up. Now we see 30 trade into 41 and the bid moves up. So you can now try and buy 41s, 42s goes bid. You might need to be a little bit more aggressive in your attempt at buying here. 43s goes bid now. And so what you're looking at here is the market's happy to pay and buy 43s. No one is really selling. And that's really important. So the balance is tipped now towards the buyers. The buyers are the ones who are coming to market. The sellers are not really there. Starts to tick up and boom. We then shoot up towards the mid 60s. That's your chance to get out. Once it slows down, that's all you're playing for on a trade like this. You're just playing to get yourself out once the market jumps. This could jump from 49s to 80s, from 49s to the mid 50s, you don't know. But you're just looking for the opportunity to get out when the market jumps up. That's the trade that you're looking for. And the point of this trade is to be in before it happens. You've got a reasonably confident view that if this ticks above 49, we're going to get a stop move. Getting in before it, as soon as you get that stop move, that's your reason to get out. There's no need to then start thinking, oh, there's a much bigger move in this, I'm going to take 200 ticks or anything like that. If that's what you're playing for, fine. But in this example, what you're looking for is a break of the high, stops hit. As soon as that's happened, that's where you come out of the trade. So this is all about finding that access, finding that buying down here around the 41s to give yourself that entry pre the 49s. Continuing on for oil, and those Trump comments have just helped it a little bit in getting back a little bit higher, but that was momentary. We're now back down at 56.18.